Today, you will be learning about the differences between the Siemens S7-300 and S7-1500 Advanced Series PLCs. For both systems, a wide range of modules can be used according to the task at hand, and a cost-effective stock of spare parts are readily available. Before we get started on today's video, if you love our videos, be sure to click the like button below. Then make sure to click subscribe and the little bell to receive notifications of new RealPars videos. This way, you never miss another one. Released in 2012, the SIMATIC S7-1500 is the successor of the longstanding S7-300 PLC. Although they are interchangeable in many situations, the S7-1500 generation integrates the latest and future-proof technologies into an automation system with enhanced system features over the S7-300. With the Engineering System TIA portal, the common engineering platform for all SIMATIC controllers, the S7-1500 is designed for fast market changes, constantly shorter product life cycles, and increasing cost pressures. Both the S7-300 and S7-1500 PLCs are similar in shape and size, and are built around a modular, expandable design. CPUs, I/O modules, and communication modules may be added as needed to a standard backplane that can be sized to fit your specific project. Up to 32 expansion modules can be installed with both systems, requiring only a DIN rail mount and backplane. The S7-1500 has a standard built-in display and keypad that allows for basic configuration and diagnostics without the need for an external screen. Both the S7-300 and S7-1500 series PLCs have many different configuration options that allow the optimal CPU to be selected depending on the application. Both platforms provide several CPU categories, including Standard for typical applications, Compact for applications where space and cost is a concern, and Fail-Safe for fail-safe applications. The S7-1500 significantly increases performance over the S7-300 with a faster backplane bus, standard Profinet interface, and shorter reaction times. As a result, the updated Profinet interface provides greater reproducibility and precision in the microsecond timeframe. When programming for slower processes, this may not make a noticeable difference in the real world. However, it can be very useful in high-speed applications, such as assembly lines. 2 Profinet ports come standard on every S7-1500 CPU, although you may select additional ports and communication protocols when ordering. As an added bonus, you're able to configure these ports as a bridge, which acts as a mini-switch. This can be very convenient when linking devices and interfacing with the PLC in the field. With S7-300s, the desired number of ports and appropriate communication protocol must be chosen up front. For both systems, there are expansion modules you can add after the fact to add extra ports or communication capabilities. Prices between the S7-300 and S7-1500 are very similar between like models. If cost is a major concern, the S7-1500 compact version provides up to 70% cost savings, as well as 25% space savings compared to the standard CPUs, although some features are limited. There are several main factors to consider when selecting a PLC for your project. These factors are application size, available space, communications protocols, and processing performance. By using the Siemens website, you can select the appropriate PLC for your specific application. For almost all applications, the S7-1500 can be used where the S7-300 is used. However, the S7-1500 provides many additional benefits over the S7-300. A built-in display comes standard, allowing for easy configuration, such as IP addressing, without the need for programming or tools. Plain text diagnostic information is provided to prevent having to look up error codes, resulting in reduced troubleshooting time and downtime. Sufficient memory is provided as standard for any application regardless of industry. There's also a flexible memory card concept that allows you to select the appropriate memory card for varying project sizes. You can store up to 32 gigabytes worth of information on the card for project data and documents. There's a long service life of 50,000 operating hours. There's no loss of system error messages, even when the CPU is in stop mode. You get access to all operating data using Office tools and via web server. In cases where expansion or replacement is required on an existing system using S7-300 PLCs, it may be desirable to continue using the S7-300 series to maintain consistency and the ability to use the same spare parts. Using TIA Portal, S7-1500s have the ability to import old Step 7 projects from an S7-300 PLC and convert to the new format. In conclusion, both the S7-300 and S7-1500 PLCs are capable and proven systems, providing modular, cost-effective, and application-specific solutions to fit your needs. In the future, Siemens will slowly begin to phase out the S7-300 in favor of the S7-1500. Eventually, the S7-300s will no longer be supported, although that's still many years away. As of now, the added benefits of the S7-1500 offered at a price point similar to the S7-300 make it a no-brainer to go with the updated PLC on your next project. Want to learn PLC programming in an easy-to-understand format and take your career to the next level? Head on over to realpars.com.